Alright guys, this is a unit right here. If you press the lower button on the right side of it, you'll see this blue surrounding light that shows you that it's not plugged in. Now, once it's plugged in, it's going to breathe green, like it's just going to pulse with a green light, like it's powering the EV. And you can always toggle this on and off. But look how beautiful this unit looks. Looks really nice. And you download the Smart Life app, and it can help you guys out as well, where you could change the amperages. You could actually make it not plug and play, like you see on the bottom right, see plug and play enabled, where somebody could just charge right away using it. Guess what? If you disable that, there's an RFID card that you can use, or you can have someone else use it if you don't want anybody, like say people around your neighborhood, try to steal your charge or whatever the case might be. But this is a freaking fantastic unit right here from ApexCharger.